Hi chickies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing, doing a wear test, and we're also going to be changing up the style on how I kind of film these review wear test videos. Today we're going to be trying out Catrice. It's called the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, which lasts up to 24 hours. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you guys would be a part of the Chicky crew. Also, don't forget I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. I'm going to read you guys the description, which I found on the Catrice Cosmetics website. Ultra light, high coverage foundation for a natural looking finish, covers imperfections and mattifies the skin, creating a smooth and even complexion for up to 24 hours. Features a unique dropper applicator. They have 18 different shades and this retails for $10.99. On the Ulta website, they only have 4 different shade ranges, which is unfortunate. It's a great thing on the Catrice Cosmetics website. They do offer their whole range of 18 different shades. So I scooted you in a little bit closer. Just for reference, my skin type is pretty much normal around the cheek area, and then I am oily in the T-zone. But since the weather right now, it's colder, I noticed that my skin needs a bit more hydration, so I'm not as oily, but I do still get very oily and like shiny in my T-zone area. Just to make this review and wear test fair, I'm going to be priming my T-zone area with the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Face Primer. This is what I've been using whenever I film a wear test or review video on a foundation. I have 2 different shades here, 037 Golden Beige, and then I have 036 Hazelnut Beige. It does say shake before use. 37 Golden Beige, and then let's try 36 Hazelnut Beige. I think we're gonna go with Golden Beige. So on one side of my face, I'm gonna be using the Juno microfiber sponge, and then on the other side, I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Just gonna pounce this onto the skin. That's one layer of the foundation, and you know what? I think it is a pretty good match. I'm going to apply a little bit more because I want to see how much we can build this. It pretty much looks like it's almost like full coverage. Wow, that is some really good coverage. So this is 2 layers. So here are 2 layers of the foundation, one side using the brush and the side using the Juno & Co. microfiber velvet sponge. 2 layers, legit. It is full coverage. It's lightweight. It feels so great on the skin. It's set very quickly. It doesn't feel like you have a bunch of foundation on the skin, even though this is like full coverage to the max. I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup, bronzer, blush, a bit of highlight. So I'm back. I applied the rest of my makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this very lightly with the IT Cosmetics. This is the Bye Bye Pores pressed powder, which is my favorite, and we're just going to gently press this right onto the T-zone area. Absolutely love the way how this foundation is looking at this very moment. A natural finish even though you are wearing foundation, and because this doesn't contain any SPF, you know that this stuff is going to be great, especially for photos. So we are actually going to take a photo. You guys, the foundation looks amazing. I love the coverage of this because it's matte, but it's not a flat matte. Tuesday, December 4, 1:43 p.m. and I'm gonna check back with you guys at the end of the night. I'm not gonna touch up, we're not gonna blot, we're gonna leave the foundation as is. Now 12:37 a.m. I've had on the foundation for about a little over 10 hours. I didn't blot, didn't touch up. Foundation is looking flawless. Forehead doesn't look oily. I don't feel oily. Love the way how this foundation is looking. The next clip will be my final thoughts on the foundation after using it for a couple of days. I've used the foundation now for a little over a week. It's actually Wednesday, December 12th. So I've used the foundation consistently over the past week and a half. Love the foundation. I love the coverage because it looks natural, but it does give you that like full coverage effect without it looking cakey or feeling heavy on the skin. It even wears it beautifully throughout the day. It didn't feel oily, it didn't feel greasy. It looked absolutely flawless. I am wearing it as well today. It looks beautiful in pictures, in videos. It is such a great affordable drugstore foundation. On the Catrice website, they do have an array of shades to choose from, which I think is amazing. I love the container because it does look very high-end. I love how it's glass, it's frosted. Also really appreciate that it's in a dropper form. So all in all, you guys, for the price point of $10.99, this is such an amazing foundation. It works so well for my skin type. Definitely deserves the double stamp of approval in my book. If you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.